Our bride likes something complex, well-designed, thought out, strong mood. This collection moved between moods. I find girls that get trapped between something sensual and like subtly emotional, and then you get somebody else that ends up like they're going full couture into something more grand and like elegant on that side. And I see girls all the time and they're like split right in the middle and they think like, how do I want to feel? And so it's nice when you can give them both dimensions and then they can play back and forth and decide how they want to feel for that occasion. I went to the McQueen exhibit and was reading about when Alexander went to Givenchy. He had been a tailor and had not really worked with lightweight fabrics. And that capability of working with things that look like they're just a whisper, it is incredibly difficult. And I was thrilled that we were able to maintain the satin and taffeta elements of the business and then put in this light layer that looked like it floated. That was something that was very satisfying. We found really beautiful laces that looked good when they were cut apart and reassembled. And I think that adds a lot of breadth to people. I love pink, and when I can sneak some into a bridal show, I'm thrilled. And our whites aren't white, you know, we have variations of tones, so it's fun to move into color. There probably isn't a dress in the collection that if you looked at it, you said, oh, that's a white dress or that's a soft white dress, because in each dress, there are probably 5 different fabrics of different colors of white. Now you have something that ends up being a completely different color and offering a different level of elegance, which was nice. Lately, there has been a great shift back to the complex couture that you saw with Dior in the 50s. When you see a girl in a dress that she feels beautiful in, she looks completely different. And you know, this time the models loved their dresses and they were happy and they look great. So that's a big deal.